I want to talk about the integration of the aspects of our being. In my alchemical training, we discuss the concepts of having three parts of the human, which are the salt, the mercury, and the sulfur. The salt is the physical body. It's your structure. It's how you move in this world. The mercury is in the middle. It is the mind. It is spirit, your spirit. And then the sulfuric level is this higher level, which is your soul. And this also includes DNA, includes your ancestral lineage. And one of the things that I personally love about my work, is that I love being able to bring people into an integration of those three pieces, because most people are walking around with one of those pieces is not doing very well, and a lot of times those three pieces actually are not lining up very well. And the interesting thing is that you can affect the two others by going into one. So you can absolutely affect your soul level, your spiritual mental level, going through the physical body, and vice versa in all direction. And so what I like to do is to really work on all three levels at the same time. So if you've been to an energy practitioner, and I know I've been to lots of energy practitioners, generally what you get is someone maybe placing hands on you. If you go to a physical body worker, which I was trained for many years and studied with masters of anatomy, physiology, kinesiology, structure, then you get someone who is perhaps able to move your structure around and place it in the right place and do the releases that will get you there. But sometimes that doesn't really work, right? It doesn't stick because your body wants to go back to the place that it knows, because the soul level, the spiritual level, the mental level, those are all pulling it into that direction, right? So I am called to work on every level so that I can see, when you come in, I can see structurally what's happening, what's been going on, where are the places that you're stuck, and and then I can, through energy, I can feel the energy moving, so I can tell where your energy is not properly moving. And a lot of times these are corresponding. There's a physical thing and there's an energetic thing, and there is an unlocking that needs to happen in order for the physical body to move and for the energetic body, the energy system, to circulate properly. So when I work with people, a lot of times I will be very hands-on, really actually tapping into tissue, tapping into the structure, tapping into bone, tapping into how is your form actually on this planet, and its relation to the emotional issues, the spiritual issues, the soul level issues that you have going on, that you're carrying around something in your soul and it's coming out through your body. So let's work on the body and the soul at the same time. That way we have the greatest potential for full healing and integration. Because if I just work over here on your energy and I just work over here on your physical, I can get pretty far going, with one or the other. But if I can take all of it and do it all at the same time and make you conscious, aware of what is happening, and this is where the channeling comes in. It's like we can connect these things and figure out, oh, okay, that's why this is happening. This is a mirror, it's a reflection. Now, let's shift it all at the same time. And then we can really get to some deep, deep, profound healing.